Epson is working to harness renewable electricity to make the vision of a sustainable future a reality. Now we have achieved 100% renewable electricity transition at all of our sites around the world, and we deliver products from factories that run on renewable electricity. We also work with local energy partners to source renewables that suit each region, contributing to cutting emissions and boosting local economies. With our partners, we'll keep advancing the use of renewable electricity and working on our manufacturing with less environmental impact.